How to share a photo album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Tap on the album's icon at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the album screen, tap on the Shared tab. Tap Create in the top right corner of the Shared album screen. Tap the Add Photos button to select the photos and videos you want to include, and then tap Add. Enter a name for your new album in the Shared Album Name field. Tap Add Participants and select the contacts you wish to invite to the album. Once you have selected them, tap Done. Then tap Create in the top right corner. The album will be created, and an invitation will be sent to the participants. Following these steps, you can easily share a photo album on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.